In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Microsoft Edge from opening automatically on your computer. Whether you're looking to streamline your PC's startup process or prefer to use another browser, I'll guide you through the steps to make it happen effortlessly. First, we'll tackle disabling Microsoft Edge from starting up as soon as your computer boots, which can often slow down your system. Let's begin by pressing Ctrl, Shift and S all at once to bring up the Task Manager. If you're unfamiliar, the Task Manager is a fantastic tool to see which programs and processes are currently running on your computer. Once you've got that open, direct your attention to the Startup tab. This is where you'll find a list of applications and programs that automatically start when your PC boots up. Scroll through this list until you find Microsoft Edge. Now, when you find Microsoft Edge in the list, right-click on it. You'll see an option that says Disable. Click that. What this does is prevent Edge from launching automatically with your system. By disabling it here, you're ensuring that your computer starts up faster, with less bloat and more efficiency. Next, let's change your default browser if Microsoft Edge wasn't your intended preference. To do this, press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time to open up the Settings menu. From there, navigate to the Default Apps section. This area allows you to customize which applications handle specific functionalities by default. As you scroll down, look for the section titled Web Browser. Most likely you'll see Microsoft Edge set as your default browser. Click on it. A list of all the web browsers installed on your computer will pop up. Choose the browser you'd rather use. This switch redirects all the web links you open to this new browser. By implementing these steps, not only are you stopping Edge from launching automatically, but you're also ensuring that your preferred browser takes precedence. This can dramatically improve your browsing experience and keep your system running how you like. Remember, these changes are easy to revert if you change your mind later. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you liked what you learned today, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your software settings. Now you can enjoy a smoother, more personalized browsing setup and a faster startup time for your computer. Have a great day and happy computing.